If you are a job seeker and trying to apply jobs right inside of Wellfound, in today's video, let me show you how. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your profile is complete and your resume is up to date. Once you make sure that all of the information are correct and up to date, you can just head over to the job section, add in your job title as well as the location. If you are also interested in a remote jobs option, make sure that you click on the include remote job option. And once you click on search, and once you do that, the search will be made and all of the relevant searches or job results will start to show up. You can take a look at all of these companies as well as the exact job title, as well as take a look at the job role and the responsibilities. Once you're inside of this section, you'll have the option called apply. It's also going to show you the name of the employee that is going to take a look at the application. So you also do have the option of adding in the note. Other than this, you can also visit the company's profile inside of Wellfound and then head over to the job section. Through this section as well, you can add in different filters and you'll be able to view the job posted through this company as well, and you straight away have the option called apply now. So that is the exact way that you can apply for jobs inside of Wellfound. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.